The city of Atlantis and the Hollow Earth. The lost city of Atlantis has captivated the imagination of people for centuries. Many believe that it was a real civilization that existed in the distant past. But where was it located? Some believe that the answer lies deep within our own planet, in the Hollow Earth. But what is Atlantis and what is the Hollow Earth theory? Could Atlantis really be located in the Hollow Earth? The city of Atlantis is an ancient legend first described by Plato in his dialogues Timaeus and Critias. He claimed that the city was located on an island in the Atlantic Ocean and was so advanced in its technology and culture that it eventually became a superpower. It was eventually destroyed as a result of some unknown apocalyptic event. Over the centuries, many have theorized about the location of Atlantis, but its exact whereabouts remain unknown. The Hollow Earth theory is a theory which proposes that the Earth is, in fact, hollow, with a large inner cavity which contains various civilizations and features such as mountains, rivers and lakes. Some have claimed dinosaurs are still alive and active in the Hollow Earth. Over the centuries, the theory has evolved and changed, with some proposing that the Earth is not completely hollow but instead has a series of cavities and tunnels. The ancient belief of a hollow Earth has been around for thousands of years, with the Greeks and Egyptians being credited as its earliest proponents. The Greek philosopher Pythagoras believed that the Earth was a sphere and higher beings lived inside it. Similarly, the ancient Egyptians believed in a subterranean region known as the Duat which served as an afterlife home for those who had passed away. This concept has been used by many cultures throughout history to explain their own afterlives and spiritual beliefs. Edmund Halley was the primary source for the renewed popularity of the Hollow Earth theory in the 18th century. His idea was that at its core, the Earth had a central sun and was completely hollow with two openings at each pole. He theorized that within this interior were advanced civilizations, including possibly Atlantis. Edmund Halley's theory suggesting the possible existence of a hollow Earth was met with skepticism by the scientific community, but it continued to gain popularity among certain spiritual and esoteric groups, such as theosophists. This particular group believed in the existence of hidden knowledge and advanced civilizations that could be accessed through psychic or mystical means. Although never proven, this idea of an underground kingdom populated with ancient wisdom captivated many people who sought to explore alternative philosophies. The idea has remained popular even today amongst those seeking knowledge beyond what can be seen on the surface world. In modern times, this idea has been popularized in literature. In Jules Verne's classic Journey to the Center of the Earth, a group of adventurers travel deep into an Icelandic volcano in search of a lost world. Eventually, they find themselves at the center of the Earth where they discover an inhabitable realm filled with prehistoric creatures. Edgar Rice Burroughs' Pellucidar series follows similar ideas and even has a visit from Tarzan to the world below. This subterranean land is populated by strange and exotic creatures such as tigerman and giant flying reptiles. The characters must battle these monsters while also navigating their way through uncharted lands and mysterious civilizations that have remained hidden for centuries. Both stories capture this idea of a hidden world within our own, further fueling speculation about Atlantis being located inside the Hollow Earth. Today, some explorers and researchers continue to search for evidence of the Hollow Earth and the possibility of an advanced civilization within. They believe that the key to unlocking the mystery of Atlantis lies within the depths of our own planet. But the Hollow Earth theory is not the only one linking Atlantis to the interior of the Earth. Another theory suggests that Atlantis was located within the Earth's mantle, and that its advanced technology was able to harness the Earth's internal energy. Some even propose that Atlantis was a subterranean civilization that had the capability to travel through the Earth's crust, using the planet's natural tunnels and caverns. In many ancient cultures, there are stories and legends of subterranean worlds and advanced civilizations. In many Native American cultures, there are stories of a subterranean world called the Lower World, which is home to spirits and ancestors. Even in modern times, some cultures like the Hopi tribe in North America have stories about ancient underground cities. This is where the connection with Atlantis comes in, as people believe that the ancient city is located within the Earth. The tale of Atlantis has intrigued many people, yet there is no evidence that it ever existed. There have been various attempts to prove its existence through archaeological and geological excavations in the Mediterranean area, but none have yielded results so far. Many scholars believe that the story of Atlantis serves as a moral warning about hubris and how temporary human progress can be if we do not take care of our planet. This idea has appealed to many people over time, adding another layer to this mysterious legend which continues to fascinate us today. Similar to this, scientific data and investigation have refuted the Hollow Earth idea. It is based on the notion that there is an inhabitable inner world located inside a hollow planet, where advanced civilizations are said to exist. However, modern science has debunked this hypothesis as it contradicts basic physics principles of gravity. Studies conducted by scientists have revealed that the Earth is actually composed of a solid inner core, a liquid outer core, a solid mantle, and a thin crust instead of being hollow like originally thought. The Earth isn't hollow. Additionally, if the Earth were indeed hollow, then a major gravitational anomaly would be present which does not match up with reality, hence why scientific data and investigation have disproved this theory once and for all. However, some argue the same evidence indicates there is a hollow inner cavity to the planet. The theories of Atlantis and a hollow Earth have been around for thousands of years, but there is still no scientific evidence to back up the claims that these places exist. Proponents of such ideas often appeal to supposed ancient texts or accounts from travelers who supposedly visited these places. However, authorities in various disciplines have debunked many of these alleged proofs, citing lack of concrete evidence as well as logical inconsistencies. As a result, most scientists consider these theories to be pseudoscience since they are not supported by any legitimate data or findings. While the theories of the hollow Earth and Atlantis remain controversial, they continue to capture the imagination of people, and the search for the lost city will continue. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our planet, we may yet discover the truth about the legendary lost city of Atlantis. In conclusion, while there is no definitive answer as to whether Atlantis was located in the hollow Earth or not, there is evidence to suggest that it is a possibility. We have no conclusive evidence that the Earth is hollow or that Atlantis even existed. However, ancient texts and archaeological discoveries provide clues for Atlantis' existence. At the same time, seismic activity, geological features, and magnetic field evidence all point to a possible inner cavity in our planet even as science debunks the same evidence. Whether this inner cavity contains a lost civilization or not is yet to be determined, but it certainly provides food for thought. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to Connect Paranormal. This will allow us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.